Well, this is the day I had to make a decision. I had to get rid of one of my cars. I didn't want to get rid of my GT350. Damn, that thing's more fun to drive than probably anything. And I got my 2016 Z51 Corvette with 520 miles on it, and I just love that thing. And it is the last series of the front engine drive. So, and I love it. I love my cars, yeah. None of these cars have ever been in the rain or snow or outside when it was even cloudy. It had to be at least partly sunny. Here's my Shelby GT 500 2013. I couldn't part with that. 662 horsepower. I'm sure that Corvette would eat it alive with that better weight distribution. Can hardly hold this thing down, but it's fun. It's fun. It's a stiff old ride, though. I'm telling you that when you got that track mode on. So couldn't get rid of that. Didn't want to get rid of that, and don't want to get rid of that orange one out there. So I guess I had to go to my Hellcat. Somebody's going to get one beautiful car, 1,715 miles, somewhere around there, not over 1,800 for sure. Never been in the rain, snow, weather. They're going to have this for sale at one of the POAGE Chevrolet agencies, my guess. It's a beauty. Never been anybody in the passenger seat. Nope. A beautiful car. The only thing I had to replace was the battery on it. This is a 2015. I got it, I think, May of 2015. Had it for, what, 6+ years. I hate getting rid of it. I just can't put anything else up on a rack. It's just too damn hard to get, even that Z51, to get it down. You gotta, there's a lot to it. It takes about 10 minutes to get it down and off the ramp and all that. But none of my cars ever are outside overnight, especially the way they're breaking into stuff nowadays. So I'm just gonna be, whoops, kind of, let's see here, get banned here. Yeah, here's the butt ends of that thing. I just put the original tires back in the trunk. I've got Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the back end of this thing, and they wanted original, so I've got the original tires. They probably don't have, God, 300 miles on them. They've always been in the dark so that they don't have any deterioration. It's a beautiful car. It just kills me, you know. It'll hurt for a little while, I guess, you know. I wish I had like a 5-car garage. I'd never get rid of anything. And then I guess I'm sure you guys out there are saying, "Geez-o, you mean you don't even take them out in the weather, or, you know, blah, blah. You must be crazy." But let me tell you right now, I am crazy. 76 going on 77. You better believe I'm a loon. But, you know, if I'm going to see something falling apart, it ain't going to be a car. I can look in the mirror every morning and see I'm downturning a little bit, you know. But all my cars and all, they're clean. Bottoms are clean. Bottoms are as clean as the tops. None of them have ever really been washed. I do the wheels for dust, road dust and all. But if you look at them, they're, this is that, you can see it's that caliper and all. Look at that. Really pretty. Yeah, that's brand spanking new. When you get old, you want stuff that stays new. You know? Until you get there, you don't understand that. You know? But if you get down here and look underneath, I don't know if I can get you a good shot, but it's all clean. All clean. You can't even get dust on your fingers wiping the bottom of this thing. Clean as a pin. Look at that, nothing. I don't know. There's something like that. I guess it's holding on to life that I want to keep things this clean. Yeah, I just enjoy taking them out on a beautiful day and bringing them back just as clean as when I left. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, what a joke. Yeah, let's get in here more. Let's see. Clean, clean, clean. They're all that way. This is the only one I can take a picture of because it's up on a rack. I don't think any of these have ever hit a mud puddle. This 2013 still has warranty on it. Original warranty. It's got 10 months left of the original warranty. Yep. Which is unbelievable, but got it from a dealer down in Florida on the Panhandle. He had it sitting on a showroom floor and never been titled or licensed, you know. Of course, it's beautiful, brand new. Still got, what, almost 3 years left on a drivetrain, you know. Yeah, if I can hang on for another 7, 8, 9 years, I'd sure love it. Sure like to have one of those Z06s just for the hell of it. I'm going to tell you something. This is a flat plane crank right here, and they drive so different than a low revving engine, you wouldn't believe it. This thing winds up to 8,000 RPM, but even at low speeds, it's just super responsive. You know, it's like in the old days, there used to be 4-cycle engines and 2-cycle engines, and boy, those 2 cycles sound like a chainsaw. 4 cycles just kind of lumbering. Well, that's kind of the difference. So that, I'll guarantee you that Z06, it's a whiner, man. It's going to scream. Nothing like the old thumpity thump that you used to hear on big engine, big engine muscle cars. They kind of rumble like that, you know. But nah, that little GT350 screams like a banshee, man. Wow, like that, you know. Damn, nothing like it. But I still like the old style stuff, you know. I still like the old style. I don't think anybody's ever sat in this passenger seat here. I don't let anybody drive my cars. I don't want them to have to apologize for getting a ding or something. These never get parked in. I don't go to Walmart in these things, you know. When I'm in them, they keep moving. I've got an F-150 that I use for everything else. Well, it's going to be coming soon, so I'm going to finish getting this Hellcat ready. It's all gassed up and stabilized and everything. I'm going to get this ready, and the next time I see it, we're going to be unwrapping a Corvette. So if you'd subscribe, press the like button so I can get up on the logarithms on YouTube. You know, it's harder than hell to get up there. You know, it's a crazy old man. You can tell this guy's so ridiculous. He doesn't take his cars out in the weather. So that's what I'll be known for, being a crazy man. So if you think I'm crazy or you're going to call me crazy, you're right. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. I really need that bad. Thank you. Catch you next time.